In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to vectorize an image in Photoshop. We'll take a regular pixel-based image, trace its edges into clean paths, and save it in a format that keeps those paths crisp at any size. This approach is great for logos, icons, and simple graphics, where you want sharp, scalable results without rebuilding everything from scratch. Start by loading your image in Adobe Photoshop. You can drag it in or go to File, then Open, and select your file. In the Layers panel, locate your image layer. Hold the Control key and click directly on the layer's thumbnail to load a selection of the visible pixels. You'll see marching ants around the content, which tells you Photoshop has a precise selection to work with. Next, choose the rectangular marquee tool from the toolbar on the left. Don't worry, we're not going to box anything in, we're just switching to a selection tool so we can access the right menu. Now right-click inside the image area and choose Make Work Path. A small dialog will appear asking for tolerance. Leave it at 1.0 to start or adjust based on your needs. Lower values hug edges more tightly, capturing fine detail. Higher values simplify curves and reduce the number of anchor points. Click OK to convert the selection into a path. Now tap the directional tool in the left toolbar, the direct selection tool, the white arrow. This lets you see the anchor points and handles that define your new path. If something looks a little off, you can gently nudge points or handles to refine the shape before finalizing. When you're satisfied, right-click again and choose Create Vector Mask. This applies the path as a vector mask to your layer, revealing the image only inside the path with perfectly scalable edges. To finish, save your work as a vector-friendly file. Go to File, then Save As, pick Photoshop EPS from the format list, and give your file a clear name. Saving as EPS preserves the vector path so it can scale cleanly and be placed in other design software. If an EPS options window appears, the default settings typically work well and you can confirm to proceed. That's the complete process. Load the image, make a selection from the layer, convert it to a work path, review it with the direct selection tool, apply a vector mask, and save as a Photoshop EPS. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.